What I'm going to do today is I've spotted a bunch of like rocks in the abandoned house next door, like big fucking boys. And I've kind of had them pegged in my mind to be used for like stepping stones on the path in the middle of my 2 garden beds here. So I'm just going to grab them and see if I can lift them. And then I'm going to chuck them over the fence and then I guess I'll dig holes and just put them in the holes. Fucking what a nice day, man. It's a nice day. I'm feeling fucking great. Gardening can be quite nerve-wracking as well. Like while I'm here digging up all this area for these stones, I'm thinking about the seeds that I planted on, I think, Wednesday or Thursday, and today is Tuesday. They should be sprouting like at least by the start of next week. I'm saying like next Monday, some of the stuff should be sprouting. And if it's not, like because I've been putting these videos out, people are saying stuff, like, oh, why didn't you do this? Why didn't you do that? And it's getting in my head. I'm like, I don't know why I didn't do that stuff, because I just had seeds and I just thought it'd be fun to plant them straight in the ground. And now I'm like, maybe I shouldn't have planted them straight in the ground. Maybe I should have planted them in the little fucking things and had them germinate first and then planted them in the ground. But by the time I've had that idea, all of the fucking non-essential services are closed, so I can't even buy little planters anymore. I really hope the fucking cunts germinate, Let's face it, the gardening show is really just a medium through which I can examine my own fragile mental state in this time. Nevertheless, it would be nice if my plants fucking grew. Like, the last thing I need when I am living a life devoid of direction, the last thing I need is for the one thing that I've put all of my emotional stock in to fail. Please. Please! Oh God, I just wanted to make something beautiful. Welcome to Backyard Bitch. I'm Aiden Jones and I'm the Backyard Bitch.
Hi Backyard Bitch, this is Laura in Melbourne. I was just hoping for an update on those dead leaves in dirt that you've been watering for over a month. Have they grown?
Hey Laura, thanks for your question. Great question, actually. It's good to know that you are, as I am, invested in the narrative arc of the show. Honestly, I just forgot. I forgot to put it in the episode. I mean, the episode was running too long. And then, I had another episode and other things happened. If you remember those... what happened in the other episode? Something. If you remember that other stuff that happened. I'm glad that you've contacted me and reminded me that this story needs a resolution. All right, come on, lads. How am I going to do this, actually? That's a good question. Oh, yes! Yes! Look at those little baby boys, huh? Come on, man. He's fucking growing roots. And guess where you're going, buddy? In the fucking ground. Next one. Looks good too. Yeah, brother. Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. There, you can see. A little couple roots. Oh, it's starting to rain. Ugh. This one is not looking so good, is he? But you know what? There's a tiny little bit of root. I'm going to put it in the ground anyway. If you've got a question for the Backyard Bitch, just email me at backyardb69@gmail.com. Send us a video with, hey Backyard Bitch, and then your name and where you're from, and I'll answer your question. Now here's some footage of me smashing a bit of an old bed frame that I was going to use the wood in the garden, but I'm not now. But man, it felt good to smash that fucking thing with a machete that Blake gave me for Christmas a couple years ago, and a bit of metal that I found while I was digging up the garden. have to cancel Comedy Festival. Why? Fucking virus can't fucking eat a bat. Now I can't do fucking stand up for 6 months.